So the first thing you might notice here is we have our nice tile design with the streaming apps that I selected. I didn't do anything else while I was updating. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your brand new Microsoft Xbox Series X. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. The first link is going to take you to an Amazon live stream if you're in the US, where you can watch us unbox this Xbox live. The second link will take you to the Amazon page regardless of the country that you're in. Now let's go ahead, let's jump right in and get this set up. So the first thing we're going to do is install the two included AA batteries. So pop off the back of the controller, line up the plus with the plus and the minus with the minus. So we got the first one in. Second one's going to be the opposite way, minus over here, plus over here. Just follow the indicators on the controller. So there we go. We have the controller taken care of. Now we're going to go ahead. We're going to plug in the power cable right here into the back of our unit. So that's where the power cable is going to go. And then we're also going to connect our HDMI cable, one end into the back of the Xbox, HDMI out, and the other end is going to be plugged into your monitor or TV. This next step is optional, but if you have a hardwired Ethernet connection, you can also connect that as well to the very back of the console and just plug it in. Don't worry though, if you don't, you'll be able to connect it via Wi-Fi as well. All right, we got the Xbox plugged in, connected to this monitor. Everything's powered on. We have a nice little startup sound as soon as we press the power button, and this is the screen we're going to be at, where we're getting instructions to download the Xbox app to get started. So if you're on iOS or Android devices, go ahead, search your app store, download the app, and we'll be able to finish setting up our Xbox. So we have the Xbox app downloaded on our device. On the main screen, you'll notice we have two options, either sign in or set up console. We're going to choose set up console. Now we have to enter the code on our screen. Your code will look different than the one you see right here. So go ahead, enter all of the letters. Make sure you have it correct. Doing a little double check here. Connect to console. Now we have to join our Xbox Wi-Fi network here. So we just selected that. All right, connected to your console. Here we go. Pretty cool. Now the screen has changed. Our app has changed. Let's select next. Confirm your language and location. Correct, correct. Now it's time to update our console. And at this stage, we can choose to turn on remote features. So if we want to, our phone can communicate with the console when it's on and enable sleep mode in settings, and you can use your phone to wake your console. So that's pretty cool. We'll go ahead, we'll turn that on. Automatic updates, sounds good. Now let's get you signed in with an Xbox profile. Select next. So we have a prompt here, we can continue. Here we go, choose to either sign in if you already have an account, or you can create one right there. We've signed into our account. Now we're at this screen where we have a couple of different options for our sign in and security preferences. So we're going to choose the top one. Pick the one that you're comfortable with. We're going to enable instant sign in. They walk you through how they use your data. You can level up your gaming experience. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to choose no thanks. Next, we can give your console a name right here. Let's just name it Xbox Series X. That's super helpful if you have multiple consoles all around your house. Next, choose if you want any emails or info. We can also pick apps right now for our console. So we want YouTube, Spotify, Prime Video. That's probably good enough for now. We can select next. All right, we got to try in a bit because our console is currently updating. So once it's done, we should be able to do that. So we'll select continue. No for kids. Do we want any notifications? I'm going to turn those off for now. Again, this is just your preferences. We can find our friends. We can link with Steam or Facebook. Add your friend to the pack. And now we're all done, so we can discover and install new games to your console, chat and play with your Xbox friends, watch and share game clips with your friends. And here we go. We're back into the Xbox app. So let's go ahead. Let's let this finish updating and see where we're at. So the console finished updating. This is the next screen that we're at, where we're prompted to turn on our controller by pressing the Xbox button front and center. So we just powered it on. There we go. Hit the A button. And now it's loading. All right, so at this screen, we have a couple different options. So we can choose to make this my home Xbox or maybe later. So we're gonna make it our home Xbox. And then we have a couple different options here. So we can get Game Pass Ultimate 1 month for $1. We have other plans. We're gonna select no thanks. Now we can find the best settings for your TV. So we can go back, we can keep these settings, keep new settings, you get the idea here. So in this case, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna keep our new settings. Everything looks great. And now we can go to the home screen. Ta-da, there we go. Everything has been set up.